Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. uh, this time we are going to do the last level guys. Look, I already did almost how many this is. Oh, almost all of them. This is the last one guys, and in this last stage we have to fight again two boss at once. Well, that is crazy, right? Okay, my boy. Huh? The first boss drop now? Boss fruit. Very good. Okay, I like this. Not good, guys. We need this, guys. We need every 10 level is branching evolution. This is very... A must. Let's go. Actually, if you want to play this, we need... Oh, I forgot. We need a very specific skill, guys. Called hump of a camel. This is not good. Let's push our look. Whoa! I like it. I like golden. We have golden attack rank. Yes, my boy. It is boy. Oh. But it's okay. At least we got it. This is nothing. Look, see here. We have 50, we have 53, we have 55. Good job, my boy. And we definitely need a Pesicle, guys. Pesicle plus. Oh, fucking bitch. Wow. Very one. Oh. We are going to die. Fuck me, bitch. I'm so tired. Hehe. Yes, we got it, guys. I hope we can make it. And a golden one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Finally, finally. I'm going to win an... Oh, fucking bitch. Get away. This is mine. This is mine. All of this is mine. Urr. Oh. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, let's do Dutch cash. A golden one is not that bad. But what we need right now, probably a bicycle. Bicycle. Oh. Ah. Oh, lot of deer. Oh. 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 Okay, good, good, good. Do we really need bicycle? I think so, no guys. Oh fuck me. Okay, branching. Oh. Golden meat, yeah. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, we done it, guys. Okay. Yup. Yeah, my boy. Oh, what the hell is this creature, guys? What are you, creature? Okay, my boy. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. That's it. The game is not fully developed, but this is already very fun, very unique. Don't forget, if you wanted, you can always install it on Steam. This is a demo, of course. The real game probably gonna be better than this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Love you guys.